Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to change your profile name's font on Instagram. So you could actually use a fancy font instead of the font that Instagram gives you. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day of the week, so please consider pressing that subscribe button. First, we need the text we want in the font that we want. And to do that, you need an app. And this app is called Fancy Text Generator. And I'll leave a link in the description for it. And once you go ahead and search for it, this is called Cool Fancy Text Generator. Go ahead and open it. And there's a lot of different apps like this. So if you don't see what you want here, there are other apps that you could use. And what you want to do here, right on top, preview text. So I'm going to type in Howfinity, the username of this channel. I'm going to press done. And this is how that's going to look in many different fonts. So I could go ahead and scroll through and see what I like. Let me just, for the sake of this video, use the bubble one right here. I actually like this one. All you have to do is press down and it copies it. So now you could paste it anywhere. So now I'm gonna exit that app. I'm gonna jump onto Instagram and I'm gonna go to that profile. And here, I'll just have to press edit profile right on this page. And right there under name, I'll select the text here, press X, and then I'm just gonna hold down to paste what I took from the other app. And then I'll just press done, just like that. Look at that, it just changed the text right on top to that font that I chose. Now you could do this with a variety of different fonts. So if I chose a different font, it would be just that simple. I could just go ahead, copy it, and then I'll just go back to Instagram, edit profile, and then I could go ahead and paste it right here, press done, and it changed it just like that. You could do the same thing with your description as well. So if you wanted to edit your description, you could just go ahead and paste that, press done, and it adds it just like that to your bio as well. Now if I press done, this is what my Instagram is gonna look like. So this is a really cool way to get your profile looking very neat and very different from every other Instagram user, so I hope you could take advantage of it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for easy to follow social media and tech videos just like this one, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.